Stop eating market snacks. Make them at home with just 2 ingredients in a food processor or blender. Add 200 grams of shrimp. Just remember that my shrimp here is already clean. Add salt to taste and 40 milliliters of water. Now let's grind all this really well. Remember, if you prefer, you can make a different flavor. Now let's set it aside in a larger container. Add 250 grams of tapioca and then our mixture. Now just mix everything absolutely well. Let's mix until it becomes dough. If yours takes a long time to become dough, just add a little more tapioca flour at this point. Let's start mixing with your hands now. Let's move to the countertop and start shaping. When it's like this, it's ready. Perfect. Do the rest of the dough the same process, and let's now take it to a pan with hot water. We'll add everything in there. As soon as it floats or changes color, it'll be ready, and you just have to take it out and let it drain. And we're going to leave them there for about 5 hours, and they're going to stay put. Now we just have to cut them into small strips. Now we're going to take these strips and we're going to put them on a rack and let them dry for a day. Having done that, now we just have to fry them in hot oil, and look at how amazing they turn out. Make it at your own home. I'm sure everyone will love it. A super natural, healthy snack for you to make at home. I hope you enjoyed. Big hug until next time. Thanks.